Hey, Harvey, tell us a little bit about Arcube and really what brought you to where you are right now.
Yeah, I mean, Arcube's the company that makes Web3 solutions for airlines, brands, sports teams, you name it, we do it. We do the end-to-end solution for brands who want to enter Web3, but maybe don't know how to, or they don't know the best way to in the strategy. So that's kind of what our company's based around. I mean, I've got a background in finance, but mainly to do with, well, traditional finance, but then moving into crypto. I mean, I've had a few years in crypto, and then, of course, as NFTs have evolved out of crypto, we've kind of brought a load of freelancer people together and built our team around Arcube to actually move into NFTs and actually solve the problem around a lot of people who have currently done stuff in Web3. They might have not had a solution based around utility, and there is a real big thing that brands can do and teams can do, sports teams, around bringing utility into what they do using Web3. So.
Yeah, definitely. So let's dig into that a little deeper. Guys, I've worked with the Etihad for many years, actually, and I've traveled to Abu Dhabi and Dubai a lot over my career. And one of the things I really found was, Simon, is that Etihad is very innovative. And it's always been interesting to see the innovation that comes out of them. Now, let me ask you this, is that what are the challenges in the industry, specifically the airline industry today, that we're facing, that we're looking for solutions to be able to solve them as it goes to the direction we're going with NFTs?
Sure. So I think, look, just as an intro to that question, thank you for mentioning it. But yeah, at our core, it's a value for us as a company, right? We want to be innovative. We look at everything very creatively. So innovation is really at our core. So clearly, with this as a core value, understanding Web3 technology was clearly a priority for us, and essentially how we can leverage this new technology to digitalize processes within the airline, with clearly the objective of generating more revenue, reducing costs, or just making workflow easier. So that's kind of what set us into this trajectory to start working on a Web3 project. When it comes to the challenges that we faced, there were quite a few, numerous challenges, to be honest with you. It's the first time, right? If I have to think back, clearly first hurdle is the fact that the technology isn't widely understood. And the fact that it's not widely understood makes it actually quite challenging to explain internally to the business, to colleagues, to line managers, to execs, what we're trying to get out of this. Why are we dedicating resources to this? What's the benefit for the business? So that was clearly a challenge.